This is example number 3 for exam 3 review. The hybrid pi is supposed to be drawn of this circuit. Lambda does not equal 0, and I asked to also include the capacitors. So to do this, the circuit is redrawn with the circuit configuration everywhere the same. The AC sources are left in, DC are all shorted for voltages, so this goes to ground and this goes to ground. I have this becomes a wire. Down here I'm going to leave all the capacitors, and this goes to ground. This becomes a wire, and the current source becomes an open. Now for the BJT, the small signal model, when you do include this is, ignore the VA is not equal to 0. That's what that was supposed to read. So this is R pi 1. V pi 1 is the voltage across it between the base and the emitter. GM1 V pi 1. And when you have a VA, which is your early voltage, draw it this way, it is in parallel with this dependent source. So the collector is the same spot and the emitter is the same spot. And it has a value of RO, where RO is VA over the DC current for IC. Over here, again, the base, you connect R pi. This time it's R pi 2, and the voltage across it is V pi 2. The current source is GM 2 V pi 2. And in parallel to that is again RO. Then the rest of the collector is connected, and that is the hybrid pi with capacitors drawn in there. This would be the circuit you would use to analyze the full frequency response by looking at these two as impedances and getting the output VO over V sig. If these were not included and you wanted just the midband gain, this would become a short here and bypass that resistor, and this would be a wire up here, and that would be the difference between the two.